The U.S. is hoping that this election will, first of all, be conducted in a fair and peaceful way. Other issues are also really, I think, of great interest and concern to the United States. How unified will Iraq be? And in particular, how will the new Iraqi government manage the new situation between Erbil and Baghdad? The Kurds are pretty fragmented now. Recent events have aggravated, let's say, the internal Kurdish divisions. There's a lot of finger-pointing and disappointment, and there is probably some, behind the scenes, some real concern that if the Kurds are more divided and therefore weaker this time, that balancing role, positive balancing role, might be also weakened. Whoever does come to power will need to be able to work out some deals with the government of the Kurdistan region and with the Kurds of the country. I think that the United States in particular is pretty determined to make that an important priority as we look toward the next Iraqi government and what its policies are and whether we can support it. I think its approach to the KRG will be a very significant factor in that equation.